Radon is a cancer-causing radioactive gas. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it, but it may be a problem in your home. Radon comes from the natural radioactive breakdown of uranium in soil, rock, and water and can get into the air you breathe. It can get into any sort of buildings, homes, schools, and result in a high radon level. But you and your family are most likely to be exposed right here at home where you spend most of your time.
Radon is estimated to cause many thousands of deaths each year. That's because when you breathe in air containing radon, you can get lung cancer.
In fact, the Surgeon General has warned that radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States today.
Historically underrepresented communities, including Black Americans, have a higher risk for negative outcomes with lung cancer. Black men and women are at a higher chance from getting and dying from lung cancer despite having lower smoking rates than their white counterparts. They are also less likely to receive an early diagnosis, less likely to receive treatment, and more likely to die from lung cancer than their white counterparts.
Testing is the only way to know if you and your family are at risk. Contact the Environmental Protection Agency, the Northwest Radon Coalition, or even just search online to get a cheap and effective radon testing kit.
If you find there are high levels of radon in your home, contact these same agencies and find out how you can get a radon reduction system in your home. It is easy and not so costly, and it can reduce radon in your home up to 99%. Do your part in protecting you and your loved ones.
Test,
fix,
and save a life.